Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys if you want to keep track of the miles basically for your oil change. Like, you know, even though the vehicle is gonna show you, usually warn you when it's time, it's another way that you can also check after you finish doing your oil change, and you could set yourself just like the Avalon. You know, this is the Lexus RX 350. This is a 2022 F Sport. Should be the same thing. Let's get into it because I don't want to talk too long or hold you guys up. All right, so down here you just hit the menu. You know, you hit the menu button, and you have destination, auto, phone, apps, projection, info, setup. So we're gonna go into setup. We're gonna click setup right there. We're gonna go into vehicle right there. And at the top right there, it said maintenance. So we're gonna click into maintenance, and there you have all the options that they say: oil, engine filter, rotation, tires, battery, brake pads, wipers, coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid, service, air filter, personal. Same thing, you know. So we're gonna click into oil. And you could set basically the date and the distance. You know, I usually do like about 5,000 miles, even though I use full synthetic, because I always run full synthetic in my vehicle. But either or, the vehicle will warn you. The vehicle will tell you when to, you know, when it's time to change the oil. But I mean, if you want to keep track, you know, so, you know, sometimes we don't have the money. Basically, we don't have the money to change the oil all the time right on time. Even if you use full synthetic, you want to know how far over you went over past your oil change time. But as I said, the vehicle will warn you. It will let you know how much miles over you went over. I'm just saying. But yeah, put it to 5,000 miles, and it's easy to set it. And you could just put the date. What's today's date? I don't even know what's today's date. Today should be like the 22nd, I think. Like the 22nd. So we're gonna put in are we in June, July? So the 22nd. Oh, that's today. So you got to put like about 3 months. I say 3 or 4 months. It depends. So I'm gonna say, yeah, I'm gonna remove 7. Take 7 out of there. How do I go back? Okay. All right. So I'm gonna put like 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Maybe like 12. Put like 12. 22nd, 2025. The next time we in 25, right? Yeah. So yeah, and you set it right there. Boom, and hit OK. Boom, and it should warn you. And you could do the same thing as well with the oil filter. You know, you put in, you know, 12, 22nd, 25. Hit OK at the bottom. So easy to touch screen, and you can just set your mileage 5,000 and hit OK, and hit OK, and you're good to go. See, they turn green now. They're not blank like the others. And this is a cool feature. I love this feature, especially, you know, I love my Avalon. This is the Lexus RX 350. You guys know that I love my Avalon. It's basically the same, even though the Avalon is older and it's not touch screen. You got to do it like manually in the manual controls. But this is cool when you actually work on your own vehicle, that you could keep up and remember. Like, if I need to change my battery, I could just change my battery. After I finish installing my battery, I could basically put in the date that I install it, and put the distance. And the distance, you never know. You could just put a date that, you know, maybe in 5 years the vehicle should go bad or whatever. You know, you could put the distance, put the date. It's cool. It's a cool feature. and the tires, when you put your tires in, when it's time to rotate your tires as well. So this is a cool feature right here, guys, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you have a Lexus and a Toyota, check to see if you have this option. I know my Avalon is old. My Avalon is a 2008, and it does have this option. So I know the newer Avalon should have it as well. And this is I know the NX should have this option as well. So if the NX have it, the RX have it, the ES350 should have it as well, since the Avalon have it as well. So if you have a Lexus, a Toyota Lexus, you should have this. I don't know about the Camrys. I really don't know. I have to do my homework on the Camrys to let me know if to see if they have this option. But if you have a Camry, see if you have that option, and keep up with your maintenance. You know, the time and the date with your maintenance when you get your oil change done, or if you install new tires, you can just put it in the system, the date that you install the tires, or the date when you're supposed to rotate them. I think they're supposed to rotate every 5,000 miles. You're supposed to rotate your tires, and it just keep you up to date. You know, it's it's a good amount of, you know, features right here. Like when it's time to change your air filter, I think you're supposed to change your air filter maybe every 6 months to a year, depends on your driving condition. Your brake pads, when you're supposed to, yeah, it's good stuff. But this is what I want to share with you guys. This is not a long video. Hope you guys enjoy it, and enjoy that last video that I did by changing my oil on this beautiful RX 350 Lexus F Sport all-wheel drive 2022. Beautiful car, really nice SUV, beautiful, guys. But yeah, this is what I want to share with you guys. And you can always go back, vehicle customization, back into maintenance. It'll let you know you're driving, it'll let you know. And as for over here, it's not coming up, it's not going to show up, because I show up with no message. The message usually pop up every time when you start your vehicle. It'll pop up and let you know that it's a maintenance required, let you know that the vehicle you need to change the oil. So that is a good feature. I love the newer cars. The older cars does the same thing as well. My 08 Avalon let you know when it's time to change your oil. The message will come up. It say maintenance required. Yeah, I love it. But thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Appreciate the love and support. Peace, bye bye, take care, God bless. And I hope you guys have a blessed one. Make sure you hit that like, make sure you hit that subscribe. You can share this video out. If you're a person like me that work on your vehicle, this is a good feature to keep up with your maintenance. And remember, this reminds you of what need to be changed, what need to be done, what need to be serviced, to keep up with you. Because right now, in this time and day, everything is expensive, and you got to do what you got to do to keep your vehicle running and not paying out of pocket so much money to these shops and these dealerships. Because right now, everybody amped up their prices, and everybody is overcharging for the least things. That's what I know of this so far. But yeah, it sucks, it's sad, but it is what it is. It's reality. But this is a cool feature right here that I love, that you could put in, the time when you change your oil, the time to rotate your vehicle, rotate your tires, or the time that you install new tires, the time when you put in the new battery, when you change your wipers, your coolant, your brake fluid, your air filter, your cabin filter, the personal service. So yeah, man, good stuff. Appreciate you guys, man. Have a blessed one. Thanks for rocking with me. I appreciate all y'all, sticking around, watching my videos and supporting me, leaving a comment and everything. I appreciate all you guys, man, for real. But yeah, thank you guys. Peace, bye bye, take care. and God bless. I am out for sure.